eshuminche hingwire aba World Food Program bakatandikaho program ibaye the Food Prioritization Assistance Program omyanya iri kuturwamo impunzi. Program ensiyeji egenderire kucendeza habyokurya ebitwire nebihebwa impunzi okuruguma bitongore nke cha World Food Program kandi omuhureji impunzi bakazito mu kategori 3. Omu kategori yo kubanza harimo ababatine kibine nakace kandi abantu bahebwa obucweka nkaga harigana bw'ebyokurya aba bari mu rurengo rwa kabiri nabatunga obucweka 20 harigana bw'ebyokurya kandi aba barukurunji boto barutunga byokurya byona.
One thing we need to understand is that since we talk about a funding situation, you can't put everybody in the same situation. If I'm able to manage on my own, I need to step aside so that what was given to me before can be reallocated or redeployed to other people who are more vulnerable.
They were used to get the food from our food program, but because of donor funding, the rations have been reduced. Others will be weaned off from the food, and it is now up to the government of Uganda and some partners to venture into livelihood to manage the issues of refugees.
Eki nicyo cyagemeserize bamwe hampunji okutaha emiringo y'ibakubasa kurabiramo okureba ngo bayebisaho. Omunkambi y'empunji ya Rwamwanja Refugee Settlement Camp erukushango mu district ya Kamwenge bamwe baketandikiraho ekibine kigenderire kuhinga emboga ezo bakubasa kugumana baguza nabwanyuma bakihamwa akasente. Ekibine eki ekirukumanywa nka Agriculture Development Association kine bamemba 28.
Agriculture Vegetable Development Association. Then this group was formed in 2020. Then the aim of creating this group, it was many youth were there but they were jobless.
Kama tuko na kasi yetu yenye tunalima, wakati tunalima tunatia mbolea mshamba. Sawa tuseme periode ya jua tunakuwa tunashota maji tunamwaga tunafanya pipinyere tunatia mboga zetu pale.
Abahona tabarukinga emboga zo kuziriya konka kurekana bazuguzaho omukampeji na nemyanya yehingurizeho.
Pesa sami nazipata naanza fanya business narangua mihindi na maharagi na mchele kisha sami nauzisha ile faida naenda tia kusaving.
Nyuma ya kulima mashamba za group tukikomalisha tuko tunakamata ile machakula tunagabulia kwanza bana memba ingine tunasaidia community
nabwanyuma y'akasente kutandika kwija aba bakasharamo bataho nabikoguze ahi bamemba barukweguza sente nabwanyuma bakazigaruzayo n'amagoba make.
Sai vraiment watu wako na haribisha tena pesa. Tuko tunakomalisha tunauzisha watu wanafanya saving na bule bushida budogo watu vraiment bako na kumaliza juu
kwa sababu sisi tulikuya mwa hii nchi tuko wa refugee tulikuwa tunaona tunaanza huzunika sasa tutakufa juu ya kukosewa na kitu na hii nchi.
Eki nicyo kigemeserize na n'ekitongore kitari kya government kya Kabarore Research and Resource Center okubakwataraho bakabatungira itaka ry'inobuhango bwa ekazi 10 ahi batire bicori.
Nihera kuba approach yenu yakora muno tunihera ngwira bomeiso ensuku zindi zijya kwasta cyangwa kubona kandi zakutungo bomezi obikiri.
Enkambi y'empunji ya Rwamwanja erimo empunji zirikurengo mitwaro mushanju kandi ebahandiko kurwo mu kitongore cya UNHCR ebyo mwaka gwe 2020 bekabana byoreko kwihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo ngo niryo rukukizayo empunji mu nkambeji obwe ryene empunji emitwaro 8 rukumi 2015 empunji bishatu 27 nazirgo mu ihanga rya Rwanda igana 23 nabarga South Sudan anana mushanju nabarga Burundi 12 kurga Somalia empunji mushanju nazirga Kenya kandi go amahanga garama Tanzania Central African Republic hamwe na Eritrea gine empunji beroboryomwe
kandi sahazino tuna groups zesubuge turengeraho kunywanisa na bakama bamataka bano kurabatunga hika 10 zo byere mu bicoli kandi tunihera ngo muhiki 10 ko byere mu bicoli ngaba beine umugisa gwa mani ngo baraturuka kurungira je kwanda batunda
amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire.